Want to earn $500 a day online? Without showing your face, without any experience, and using just free AI tools? Seriously, I'm not kidding. Forget everything you thought you knew about making money online because this is a game changer, and it's simpler than you think. If you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a real way to boost your income, maybe even quit your job, or just build something awesome on the side. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that people are already using to build faceless YouTube channels, passive income streams, and even full businesses, all while staying behind the scenes. We're talking about actual, tangible methods that are working for ordinary people. You don't need a fancy setup, you don't need to be a tech wizard, and you definitely don't need to have a ton of money to start. So, if you're ready to potentially change your financial future and learn how to leverage AI for massive gains, stick around because this video is packed with value. Let's go. Alright, kicking things off with an absolute beast of a tool, Pictory.ai. This thing is literally revolutionizing how people create YouTube content, especially if you want to stay completely anonymous. Imagine pumping out high-quality videos without ever needing to own a camera, a microphone, or having any video editing skills whatsoever. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Pictory makes it a reality, and it's simpler than ordering a pizza online, I swear. So how does this magic work? It's ridiculously easy. You take a script, maybe something you wrote, or even an article you found online, with proper permissions of course, and you literally just paste it into Pictory. Then, like some kind of digital wizard, the AI gets to work. It analyzes your text and automatically pulls relevant, high-quality stock footage and images to match your words. This alone is a massive time saver. But wait, there's more. Pictory doesn't just stop at visuals, it can also generate an AI voiceover for your script. You can choose from a variety of voices, accents, and styles, so you can find one that perfectly fits the tone of your channel. And if you prefer, you can easily upload your own voiceover too. Plus, it automatically adds subtitles, which is huge for engagement and accessibility. Think about the possibilities here. You can create top 10 list videos, which are insanely popular. Or how about motivational reels? Short, punchy videos with inspiring quotes and epic footage. News-style content is another big one, summarizing current events or interesting stories without ever showing your face. The potential is limitless. People are genuinely making thousands, and I mean thousands of dollars every month using this exact strategy faceless YouTube automation powered by Pictory. They build channels in niches they're passionate about, or niches they know are profitable, and they just churn out content consistently. Once your channel gets monetized through YouTube ads, that's passive income, baby. Videos you made months ago can still be earning you money while you sleep. Here's a massive bonus tip for you guys. You don't even have to wait to hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours mark to start making money. How? Affiliate marketing. Find products or services related to your video's niche. Could be software, books, physical products on Amazon, anything, and drop your affiliate links in the video description. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. This can start generating income from day one. Pictory makes creating the video content so fast that you can focus more on finding good affiliate products and promoting your videos. It's about working smarter, not harder, and this tool is the definition of smart. Next up we have ElevenLabs, and guys, this tool is an absolute game changer for anything audio related. If Pictory handles the visuals for your faceless empire, ElevenLabs is your go-to for perfect human-like voiceovers. We're talking about the most realistic AI voice cloning and text-to-speech tool currently on the market. The quality is so good, it's often indistinguishable from a real human voice. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for making money online without ever using your own voice if you don't want to. Think about it. You can clone your own voice, create a perfect digital replica, and then have it say anything you type. This is amazing for consistency if you do want to use your voice but can't always record, but the real power for faceless income comes from its ability to generate completely new, studio-quality synthetic voices in literally seconds. You can choose from a massive library of pre-made voices or even design your own custom voice, tweaking its characteristics until it's perfect for your project. So, how are people cashing in with ElevenLabs? One of the biggest ways is by selling voiceover services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. There's a huge demand for voiceovers for commercials, explainer videos, e-learning courses, video game characters, and so much more. With ElevenLabs, You can offer professional-grade voiceovers in multiple styles and accents without needing expensive recording equipment or a soundproof studio. You just type the script, generate the audio, and deliver. Another massive opportunity is creating audiobooks or podcast narrations. The audiobook market is booming, and narrating an entire book can be a daunting task. With ElevenLabs, you can generate high-quality narration for public domain books or for authors who want an affordable way to turn their books into audio format. Similarly, you can start a Faceless podcast where the entire narration is AI-generated, discussing topics you're passionate about, or summarizing news and articles. And here's a big one for synergy voicing YouTube videos for others, anonymously. Many content creators are great at the visual aspect or scripting, but they either don't like their voice, don't have good recording gear, or simply want to outsource that part. You can position yourself as a faceless voiceover artist, using ElevenLabs to provide crisp, clear, and engaging narration for their channels. Alright, tool number 3 is actually a dynamic duo, a powerful combination that can turn you into a digital product selling machine: Canva AI and Etsy. You've probably heard of Canva, the super user-friendly design tool. But now, Canva has integrated some seriously powerful AI features that let you generate designs, ebooks, planners, social media graphics, and so much more in just minutes, even if you have zero design experience. It's like having a graphic designer built into your computer. Now pair that with Etsy. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts anymore, it's a massive, thriving marketplace for digital products. People go to Etsy specifically looking to buy things like printable wall art, digital planners, social media templates, ebook templates, resume templates. The list is endless. And the beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them over and over and over again, 24/7 on autopilot. That's true passive income, my friends. So, here's the play. You use Canva's AI features to rapidly create high-quality digital products. For example, Canva's Magic Write can help you generate text for your ebooks or planners. Their AI image generator can create unique graphics or patterns for your designs. They have AI-powered template suggestions and even tools that can help you resize a design for multiple platforms with a single click. You can literally design a beautiful 50-page digital planner in an afternoon. Once you've created your digital masterpiece in Canva, you list it for sale on Etsy. You set your price, write a compelling description, maybe even use ChatGPT to help you write that. Upload some attractive mock-ups, which you can also create in Canva, and then Etsy handles the sales process and delivery. When someone buys your product, Etsy automatically sends them the digital file. You don't have to do anything, money just appears in your account. How cool is that? Think about the sheer range of products you can create. Custom printable wall art is huge. People love unique quotes, abstract designs, or personalized name art for nurseries. Digital planners and journals are incredibly popular, especially niche ones like fitness planners, budget trackers, or student organizers. Social media template packs for Instagram or Pinterest are a lifesaver for small businesses and influencers, and they sell like hotcakes. The low barrier to entry here is insane. Canva has a fantastic free version that already includes many AI features, and their pro version is very affordable if you decide to scale up. Alright, let's dive into tool number 4, which is another incredible duo for generating income with content, completely facelessly: ChatGPT and Medium.com. ChatGPT, as you probably know, is the revolutionary AI language model from OpenAI that can write articles, blog posts, scripts, emails, pretty much anything you can think of, just by giving it a prompt. And Medium is a hugely popular online publishing platform where writers can share their stories and articles with millions of readers. Here's the genius play. You use ChatGPT to help you generate valuable, engaging blog posts. I'm talking about well-researched how-to guides, insightful tech tips, comprehensive product reviews, thought-provoking opinion pieces, the kind of content that people are actively searching for and love to read. You give ChatGPT a topic, some key points, maybe a target audience, and it can draft a pretty amazing article for you in minutes. Of course, you'll want to edit and personalize it, add your own insights, but the heavy lifting is done by the AI. Once you have your polished article, you publish it on Medium. Now here's where the money comes in. Medium has something called the Medium Partner Program. If your articles get engagement, reads, claps, follows, Medium will actually pay you a share of the subscription revenue from its members. Some writers on Medium are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per article just from these partner program earnings. Imagine getting paid directly for the views and reads your AI-assisted content generates. But that's not the only way to monetize on Medium. Even if you're not in the partner program, or in addition to it, you can use your Medium articles to drive traffic to other places. For example, you can strategically include affiliate links within your articles. Writing a review of the top 5 laptops for students? Include affiliate links to those laptops. If readers click and buy, you earn a commission. This is super powerful for product-focused content. You can also use Medium to drive traffic to your Faceless YouTube channel, maybe one you're building with Pictory, your digital products on Etsy, created with Canva AI, your freelance services, voiced by ElevenLabs, or your own website. Last but definitely not least, we have Durable.co, and this tool is going to blow your mind with its speed and simplicity. Imagine building a fully functional, professional-looking website in just 30 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 30 seconds. Business websites, portfolios for freelancers, sleek landing pages for influencers or product launches. Durable.co uses AI to generate all of this with just a few clicks from you. No coding, no complex design skills, no headaches. So how does this AI website wizardry work? It's almost laughably easy. You go to Durable.co, you tell it what kind of business or website you need, like plumbing services in Miami or freelance photographer portfolio, and maybe choose a color scheme or style. Then you click a button, and the AI literally builds the entire website for you in about half a minute. It generates the layout, writes the initial copy, finds relevant images, and even sets up a contact form. It's insane. Now, how do you turn this lightning-fast website builder into a serious income stream? The most obvious way is to build websites for small businesses in your area or even globally. So many small businesses either have terrible, outdated websites or no website at all. They know they need one, but they don't have the time, skills, or budget for a traditional web designer. You can swoop in with Durable.co and offer them a professional website incredibly quickly and affordably. Think about it, you can charge a few $100s or even $1,000 or more for a website that takes you, with Durable's help, maybe an hour or two to customize and finalize after the initial 30-second generation. The profit margins can be huge. You're leveraging AI to do 90% of the work, allowing you to take on many clients and scale your business rapidly. This is a service that is always in demand. Another fantastic angle is offering AI-generated landing pages to influencers, course creators, or anyone launching a new product. A good landing page is crucial for conversions, but designing one can be tricky. With Durable, you can quickly create stunning, high-converting landing pages tailored to their specific offer. You could charge per landing page or offer package deals. So there you have it. 5 absolutely mind-blowing AI tools that can help you earn serious money online, potentially $500 a day or even more, all without showing your face and with no prior experience needed. These 5 AI tools are more than just software, they're your personal money-making assistants in 2025. We've covered Pictory.ai for faceless YouTube videos, ElevenLabs for God-tier voiceovers, Canva AI and Etsy for selling digital products, ChatGPT and Medium for monetizing written content, and Durable.co for building websites in seconds. You don't need to be a tech expert, a designer, or even show your face. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy degree. What you need is a smart strategy, the willingness to learn and adapt, and the drive to actually start. The opportunity with AI is right here, right now, and it's accessible to everyone. Yes, that includes you. Pick one tool, one strategy that resonates with you, and just begin.